Toilet paper. It's a simple, everyday item that most of us take for granted. But have you ever wondered how this essential product is made? Join us on a fascinating journey from tree to toilet as we explore the intricate process of making toilet paper. Origins of toilet paper. Before we dive into the modern production process, let's take a brief look at the origins of toilet paper. The concept of using paper for personal hygiene dates back to 6th century China. But it wasn't until the late 19th century that commercially packaged toilet paper became available in the United States. In 1857, Joseph Gaetti introduced the first packaged toilet paper in the U.S., but it was in 1879 when the Scott Paper Company began producing it on a large scale that it became a household staple. Today, the journey of toilet paper begins in the forest. But how does it go from towering trees to the soft rolls we use every day? Harvesting the raw materials. The primary raw material for toilet paper is wood pulp, which comes from trees. Companies prioritize sustainable forestry practices, ensuring that for every tree cut down, multiple new ones are planted. Trees are selectively harvested to maintain the ecological balance. Loggers carefully choose which trees to cut to minimize environmental impact. Once harvested, the logs are transported to a paper mill. This is where the transformation from tree to paper begins. The pulping process. At the paper mill, the logs undergo the pulping process. This is a critical step in making toilet paper. First, the logs are debarked and chipped into small pieces. These wood chips are then cooked in a chemical solution to break down the lignin and separate the fibers. This process, known as pulping, can be done mechanically or chemically. Chemical pulping uses a solution of sodium hydroxide and sodium sulfide to dissolve the lignin, leaving behind cellulose fibers. The resulting pulp slurry is washed to remove any remaining chemicals and impurities. This clean pulp is the primary ingredient for making toilet paper. Forming the paper. The next step is forming the paper. The pulp slurry is poured onto a moving mesh screen, which allows water to drain away, leaving behind a mat of interwoven fibers. This wet mat is then pressed and dried through a series of rollers and heated cylinders to remove excess water. The result is a continuous sheet of paper, known as parent roll. These parent rolls are massive, sometimes weighing several tons. They are then cut into smaller, more manageable rolls for further processing. Creating toilet paper rolls. Now it's time to convert these giant rolls into the toilet paper we recognize. The parent rolls are unwound and fed into a converting machine where they undergo several key steps. First, the paper is embossed. This involves pressing patterns onto the paper to create a softer and more absorbent texture. These patterns also help the plies, or layers, of toilet paper stick together. Next, the paper is perforated and cut into individual sheets. This perforation allows for easy tearing of the toilet paper. These sheets are then wound into smaller rolls, and the length of each roll is carefully measured to ensure consistency. Packaging the toilet paper. Once the toilet paper rolls are complete, they move on to the packaging phase. Automated machines wrap and pack the rolls into various sizes and quantities, ready for shipment. Manufacturers are increasingly using eco-friendly packaging materials to reduce plastic waste and promote sustainability. Quality control. Throughout the entire process, quality control is paramount. Samples are taken at various stages to ensure the toilet paper meets strict standards for softness, strength, and absorbency. These tests include measuring the thickness, tearing resistance, and absorption rate of the paper. Sustainability efforts. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainability in the toilet paper industry. Many companies are sourcing pulp from responsibly managed forests and increasing the use of recycled paper. Recycling used paper reduces the need for virgin pulp and minimizes environmental impact. Recycled toilet paper is made by cleaning and reprocessing paper waste, which is then turned into new paper products. Future innovations. The future of toilet paper production is also seeing innovations. Researchers are exploring alternative fibers like bamboo and hemp, which grow faster and require fewer resources than traditional trees. Bamboo toilet paper, for example, is gaining popularity for its softness and sustainability. The global impact. Toilet paper is a global commodity, and its production has a significant impact on economies and environments around the world. Different regions have different preferences and practices when it comes to personal hygiene. From ultra-soft multi-ply rolls to budget-friendly single-ply options, the variety of toilet paper reflects the diverse needs and preferences of consumers. So the next time you reach for a roll of toilet paper, remember the incredible journey it has taken, From a tree in a forest, through an intricate manufacturing process, to finally becoming a part of your daily life. The production of toilet paper is a testament to human ingenuity and our ongoing efforts to balance convenience with sustainability. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into everyday products. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.